Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm getting my eyebrows done by Virginia May Walker, my beautiful partner over there. Say hello.
Hello.
So I've kind of trashed my eyebrows a little bit. I tried to do an eyebrow slit with a blurry vision and I've absolutely demolished it. So I've kindly asked her to sort my eyebrows out. So what are you going to do, Ginny?
I'm going to do the HD today, but without the tint.
What are you doing now?
So I am marking it up for the moment.
Uh-huh.
So this is basically getting your measurements right to see if you've actually been in measurement at all.
This
slit of the eyebrow is so bad.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
It is not bad. So the moment I'm measuring where your arch goes.
Mm-hmm.
How defined do you want your brows?
As defined as... I don't want to look... you know. I kind of look like a straight man. Preferably.
Yeah. To be fair, the men's aren't meant to be that polished anyway.
I don't mind.
It's really high arch. The temptation is so strong right now.
Just make me look masculine, please.
Okay. This is the better brow. We haven't messed with it. Don't want to make it too skinny. Have you ever had your eyebrows waxed before?
I've never had them waxed. Oh, whoa.
Oh yeah, sorry, I didn't show you, did I? You see where I'm going with the drawing now?
Yeah, I do actually. Oh, and you just rip it off.
Yeah.
Whoa. I had no idea that's how you do it.
Do you not?
No.
Yeah, so basically this gets rid of the bulk. And then after this you thread, just to kind of smooth everything out so you can't see it's like obviously waxed and it's like an obvious harsh line.
Yeah.
Because some people get really vellus hair. And like the vellus hair is like, it's not really coloured, but it has got like a slight colour tint to it. And you can like tell when someone's obviously had their eyebrows waxed. Just helps to blend that out. And then we go back over again, do the drawing again, and then just pluck anything that's sticking out or hasn't been taken by the wax. So if you're an actual client, you'd have had them tinted first.
Mm-hmm.
So the tint picks up every little piece of hair, so you can really get a proper defined shape. But obviously, because you're male, you don't want to draw too much attention to the fact that you've had them done.
Lower eyebrows, definitely pain difference is huge.
Yeah, it's because there's more hair there.
Yeah. I thought it's because the skin would be thinner.
It's because the skin's thinner as well, but you do it in smaller patches.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god, yes.
What?
Here's this cute fella. Jesus. Hey, how you doing? I like the feeling of the wax. It's really nice.
Yeah. I always think it lulls you into a full sense of security.
It does. It's warmth. It's just, And it's like, fuck.
Getting into a hot bath.
Oh,
I've seen him like hit
that
like...
first one.
Oh god, no, no.
You know about it. Oof.
I think that was the
And
best
that one there, yeah, that was definitely significantly worse.
And we got more hair on this side as well.
Oh, yeah. They're gonna pull my eyeballs out on that one.
Oh, you got a real bad blackhead. Can I get that one as well?
Yeah, if
It's
you
just
want.
above your eyebrow. You can edit this bit out. Oh my god.
It's a big one.
See the size of it?
Let's have a look. I can see a big blob.
Yeah, that's it.
What? Oh,
See?
that's huge.
It is huge.
Is the treatment over?
No.
You've gone off piece.
I have one of these.
Babe, I don't have much time. Ooh, spots.
I didn't, but I've always got time for spots. Yours are just so fun to get. They're super fun. Like little worms in your face.
How often do you do this? Like, does a client do this?
Every 4 weeks.
Every 4 weeks?
Well, not, yeah, some people can go longer, some people are shorter. So after a while, you be doing it in the same way, the eyebrow gets used to it.
Mm-hmm.
So you can kind of eke the treatments out longer and longer. But to start off with, it's 4 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
And what I found is because everybody else's brows were like to the old beauty lines, like how even they were and stuff, it takes a while to get them back into like new ones.
Yeah. What's wrong?
I think.
No, what's wrong?
Nothing's wrong.
No, you're doing that. What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. I just said the one's like really nice and defined.
The one?
The one, yeah, because you ruined the other one. I'm not going to be able to wear that miracle just yet. Oh, hands up for me. You need your hands for this.
I need my hands.
Yeah.
Hands up.
No, I need your hands on your eyeballs and stretching and stuff for me. No. Oh my god.
What do you mean you need my hands on mine?
Okay, keep your head straight.
Okay.
Then this hand is going to go 4 fingers over your eyelid. Together, Lloyd. No, your fingers together, babe.
Both of them, yeah?
Yeah, all 4 over your eyelid. Pull down for me, okay? So I'm going to thread the top.
Ooh. Ooh.
The more you pull, the better it'll be.
Okay. Antibacterial and...
I think it's like anti-snappage. It's a bit stronger than your normal cotton would be.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. If you look at it, it just looks like a regular thread. You can
use regular thread.
But it won't be as effective.
No, it would be. Just it has to be like in the right hands to be.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yes. That is really...
See where we wax first now?
Yeah, because that would be so much worse.
Yeah, and this is just like your little vellus hair, this is. This isn't even your proper hair.
Wow, this one's the worst.
Yeah, you have a more sensitive side for your body than the other.
Do you?
Mm-hmm. And one always is bigger.
That was tender.
Yeah, finish it.
I know.
You're not going to enjoy the next bit if you thought that part was tender.
What's the next bit?
Underneath.
Oh no.
So cute. Okay, yeah, you got it right. That hand goes there and then that hand goes back where it was before. Over your eyelid. Yeah, that's it. And the more you stretch, the less painful it'll be. Not that much though, because you'll need space to be able to move still. And you basically go over this, blend all this in it, because you can get some will go real low down over your eyelid. Mm-hmm. And then we go back afterwards with them, and then I'll pluck out what's remaining.
Sounds definitely sensitive to plucking.
Just a little sensitive guy. Just lift your head up normally for me. Feel better?
Yeah. A little traumatized, but I'm okay.
No harm in double checking. Open your eye for me. You never know, one pencil could have smudged or something like that, or could have uncovered a scar or something. You need to go back and kind of like cover that over. I think I've done really well with that slit.
That looks amazing. That looks really good. No, genuinely looks really, really good.
Are you happy with that? It just looks tiny but still natural.
Yeah, it does. That looks really, really good. I love it. I really like it. I sharpen up my beard too.
Yeah.
I get a trim tomorrow to work and I'll look really professional.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that looks better.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Love you too.
Oh, it looks so cute. Oh my god. So, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. My new eyebrows. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see y'all very, very soon with another new video in my new home.